Today I'm going to show you how to make a game room, a video game room, but not the room part, that's already part of my house. So just the insides. I'm going to show you how to decorate a cube of wood that you live inside so that you can invite people over and distract them with all the cool stuff you have so they don't realize that you, and probably them, live inside a tree carcass. Nobody asked for this video, but I'm gonna pretend they did. So thanks, Marcus Real Guy, for this DIY request, or this DIM request, because I did it myself. So get ready to DIY my DIM'd room, game room. Ingredient number 1, paint. The most important consideration here is calculating the exact amount of shame you are willing to abandon in order to ask the guy at the paint desk to match the color of an NES cartridge and the color of the back of an NES controller. I went with all the shame, but you can probably get by with just some of the shame. Ingredient number 2, a chair. A game room should be built around the gaming itself. That's why I put this bloated beach whale of a red chair right in the middle of the room. Look at this thing, it's massive. The rest of the room refuses to pee next to it. And just like every bloated whale I've ever encountered, when I sink into it, I pretend it's a hug. Of course, you could get a second chair for a friend, but first, ingredient 2.5, a sub-ingredient. Get a friend. Ingredient number 3, a TV. The bigger, the better. I used to have a white TV, but then I got this bigger black TV, and you may notice I didn't go back. Dong stereotypes. Like all stereotypes, they are funny and don't hurt anyone, ever. Except when I installed this TV, you see it fell on me. So I guess I'm the only one ever to be hurt by stereotype, I think? Yeah. So please send your sympathy cards to care of White Guy in White Guyville, White Guy, USA. Ingredient number 4, games. I've got lots of games. Here they are now. Okay, slow pan. Cue pumped up music. All right, you're nailing this, Caleb. You're doing good. Okay, so group all of the valuable games together and then pass over them like it's nothing, because I got so many games I can't even remember which ones I have, right? Oh, is that a unique variant of Super Mario Bros. 3? Comment section? Oh, I didn't even know. And 3, 2, 1. But mostly, I just stick to the classics, I'm just a gamer, and gamers game. It's what we game, it's what we do. Over here, I have my collection of ghost games. These are like non-ghost games, but they are so rare I literally cannot play them. Look at all of them, man, just sitting there on this awesome shelf I DIM'd earlier. Because ghost games aren't playable, they serve more as discussion pieces, as in, let's discuss how you dare call this a game room when there's empty space on your shelves. To which I respond, that's where I eventually will put new games just as soon as the other games get in vitro fertilization, because they can't procreate naturally, you inconsiderate jerk. Oh, I mean, those are ghost games. Damn it. I already forgot the stupid bit. Ingredients 5 through the rest of the ingredients. You need stuff to hang up and stuff to not hang up, and a microphone for speaking, and speakers and microphones, and lots of controllers and lack of control, and puns for days, and days for puns, and plushies. Step number 1, paint that wall. I got a good trick for you on this, a good way to do it. So imagine you're the wall's parent, and your child wall has disobeyed your strict instructions about always wearing clothes, so you've chained your defiant child to another wall, like a sub wall. So you chained your child to a child, I don't know. And now you're not painting a wall, you're just putting clothes on your kid. See, wet, suffocating clothes, because you care and you want him to grow up to be a lawyer or a doctor or a gimp. Step 2, place the chair in the step number 2, place the chair in the center of the room and tell the surrounding game room decor that it must worship the red chair as its new god. Punish those who defy your command. Step 3, number 3, put some shelves somewhere. Anywhere, I don't care. I made these shelves out of spare dead tree carcasses. You probably can too. I don't know, there's probably a DIY out there somewhere. Find one. Step 4, number 4, mount the TV to the wall. This is me pretending to do that. I'm pretending really well. Step 5, hang some other stuff on the wall. When hanging other stuff, it's important to pretend your wall is a street, and the picture frames are city blocks with enormous curbs, so you can drive tiny cars between them. Remember, if the tiny car doesn't fit, you must acquit. hanging things are so close together, you Italian stereotype. See, nobody got hurt, right? Except in that trial from which the "you must acquit" line comes. Dang it. Okay, sometimes people get hurt. And that's all. That's it. That's the DIY'd, DIM'd game room. I don't recommend you follow these instructions because they are irresponsibly lacking in specificity. Instead, tell me if there's anything in this video that you saw that you'd like maybe a longer video about. I don't know, you see anything cool in my cool vault space that you are super jealous of and need me to make a crappy video about while passively dismissing how cool it is? I can do that. I'm confident I can do that.